So we are looking for the 144 pace sprinter. We're thinking of going into more deep into our crown land in Canada. We got plenty of crown land. So instead of going for the 170 wheelbase, we're exploring the 144. 144, we know it's going to be small inside. So we're going to see inside to see, okay, if we can make some compromise of the living space.
So we are at Seacard RV.
144.
Oh, it has the pop out for the bed.
Yeah, pop out for the bed.
So they would have made the kitchen area bigger because they would have made the bed horizontal.
Yeah, bed have to be horizontal in this. There's not much choice on that. Otherwise, bed is going to stick to the close to the driving area. It's pretty small, 144. But you can see the 144, which is much smaller. It's almost like a car or jeep. So the chances that it's hitting in this area underneath is less. 170, that wheel will be somewhere here. So there is more chances of hitting here. See inside. Okay. So this one has some space to cook outside. Right. Yeah. This down, and then you can cook outside as well. There's a screen door. This also has 2 seats over here and a bathroom with a shower.
I think I approve now after seeing this.
And so it has everything that you need. It's just a little small, right? The kitchen area is small, but you're not going to be full-time living in the kitchen. And these, you're going to be outdoors, so you're going to be also cooking out. Only in the winter, you have to cook inside. It also comes with extra storage if you want to use storage space. So this is it's almost same size as what we have.
Let me see the cupboard and it.
Yeah, it looks like almost same, or maybe 2-3 inches small. This is great. This is a good space. There is some waterproof. In case if you want to keep.
Is that a toilet paper holder or something?
Maybe toilet
Yeah,
paper,
I would
or
think
maybe something other things that you want to keep.
And there's clothes dryer there.
Yeah, there's a clothes dryer, string, and also you can put some maybe naggy. You also have a toilet here, so maybe this goes in the back if you're not using this. So this is like kind of 2-way. You can also close this area if you want to keep the air condition just for this side. Yeah. So that's something really good too, because this is really nicely designed, so you can actually keep it closed. So you don't need another screen or anything.
Oh, and they utilize that space for closet here on your left.
Yeah, so there is also
storage, right?
Cupboard here. There's more storage here. Kitchen storage, there's plenty. This could be. This had to be somehow to be clothing too, because this had to be clothing as well, because there is no cabinets here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So this has to be.
Yeah. So unless you want to put something, you can.
You
put
can. At least one side you can.
Yeah.
You don't have to have both sides.
Yeah. You will have to find the. And then for the kitchen, is drawers. There's plenty of drawers. Yeah. And then this side is
fridge.
The fridge coming up to here. It's a smaller fridge, so smaller than what we have right now. And then you will have to keep another fridge behind there. Let's go to the back and see how much space we have in the garage.
Well, let me check the bed first to show them.
Yeah. The bed is more than enough for 2 people.
Oh, this is good space.
Yeah.
For us, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Sleeping this way.
Yeah. And then also it has the air condition there.
And there's a window too, one side
Yeah.
for the bed.
Yeah.
It's good that they don't put one side window, right? See how window is only on
When
this
there
side.
is only one side. Yeah.
So you can have storage one side at the top if you
Yeah.
want, right? Okay.
Condition is big for this area.
We are testing out
Yeah.
sleeping.
We don't know if this is going to be the one because the price seems good.
Look, his feet, and he has the space above his head.
Yeah. Put the pillow here.
Yeah.
And we also can open the window like this if you don't want the air condition. And then
And
have
there's window in the back.
and it's a double panel window. This one has a fly screen as well. Yeah, and then they should be and the blackout.
Oh, cool.
If you don't like, you can sleep this way as well. But I like this space because you can actually quickly make the bed. Because our bed is bigger.
Big. Because our bed wasn't, we wouldn't build the bed like that now.
Yeah.
We built it when the kids were traveling
Yeah.
with us.
This is more like a twin size bed. A little bit more than twin size.
Yeah.
Twin size will be maybe this size. Yeah. And you really don't need this. This underneath. Oh, that's where all the electrical and everything. This is you need a sitting area to do work, especially if you're still working part time. And so this is going to stroll because this has small like this. You need this space too because it's too small. If
But
you
then,
cover this.
then you for shipping you can't close it.
Yeah, for shipping at the time when you're shipping, you have to close it temporarily. Yeah, you will have to put 2 plywood that you have to cut. I was thinking about this too. So you will have to cut a plywood to this shape and mirror it to the other side as well. And then you push the 2 plywoods to the wall. And then you can screw it from inside from here, this side. And then it's fully sealed, so nobody can access from that side. Yeah, they have to really kick hard and break it to come inside this side. It's more storage, so still you can walk without hitting your head. And then you can sit. Yeah, and this is all factory pieces. All this is right. So
I like this flooring.
yeah, the flooring is like the rubber.
I like how, this is the part I like actually. Flooring over there, it's the finishing edges. Yeah. This is good. Gives a nice good grip,
Yeah, because this is a piece that rubber.
It's like a molding, right?
Yeah, rubber under the, it is screwed. So there is more storage here. There's a lock here. What is that? Bed going up and down.
Oh,
Shows the
bed has
side.
a... Bed has
Oh,
a...
this bed actually you can go up and down. It's in rails here. So you can actually move it up.
It's for the garage usage.
Yeah.
Because
So
the
you can
garage
lift-
has the
you can
tracks.
lift the bed and leave it up. And then you can use the garage, and then where you go you can put your toys out, and then so this is for the safety, they have it there. No microwave, so I guess if you want a microwave it will go over here and then you will lose the space. Let's see outside of the garage. So the garage is because the bed is small, so the garage only goes right, doesn't go too deep. But
That's all you can go.
yeah, so these are
I
some of
like how they close the wheel well.
Yeah. So the wheel well and then electrical, everything is over here. There's a main switch over here. You can disconnect everything.
It's a nice
Isolate.
molding.
Yeah. And then they have 30 amp power if you want to hook up to charge. And then also you have outdoor shower and washing if you have bicycles or anything. So Obviously the bicycle might not fit at this height, so you will have to lift it up.
That's why the bed has the rail, right?
Yeah, so
So this is how it looks when the bed is up.
there is enough ties to tie anything you want. But if there's no bicycles, there is lots of space. You can have another fridge here. You can have your camping fireplace like the one that we have, right? The solo fireplace. And yeah, you can have a lot of things over here. Like especially you will need another fridge because it will be not enough. And then I think if you want extra water, you can put it on the top. It has everything you need, and they have put everything plastic so you can wash it out if you want to, right? So
This is a Jayco.
yeah, 218 or something like that. Jayco Terrain. That's what I have to do. And the solar panel, the Starlink too.
Here, you want to hold this?
So this is the roof. You can climb up to here. Not sure what this clips into, but there is solar panels, and then also there is a Starlink, and the air conditioner over here. Yeah, so it has, and then the awning on this side. That's the disconnect switch for the solar panels. There's another electrical box over there. Not sure what that for. It looks like it's for the awning. If you want to disconnect the awning from there, and if for the repair and maintenance. There's max air fan there, right beside the Starlink. So on the top has taken the full real estate, and there is some rails, cross rails, and then I guess you might be able to put maybe you can tie up certain things, but you will lose the solar power. But in my opinion, with the other van we have, this solar panel is good when we normally park in our driveway, and when the fridge is running, it's enough, a lot of power to keep charging the fridge. I mean not charging, I mean keep running the fridge, and so it always keeps fully topped up. But whenever we are traveling, if you are using the microwave and everything, yeah, that power goes down very quickly, and when we are driving, that's when it's charged pretty quick, not with the solar panels. And these all three models are same, so there's three like this.
Ah, that's cool. That's very nice.
And then, yeah, it's pretty good. It's a good mechanism. Right? So they don't have. This is the all-wheel drive twin turbo. And, so it's not 4x4. It's a all-wheel drive.
The new one.
Yeah, twin turbo, 4 liter.
Because this is
so
2025 model.
2020, yeah. So it has plenty of space to put the ARB, to inflate the tires and deflate, especially when you go off-road. Because the whole purpose of this is to get more into off-road. So this is for the heating, right? For the diesel heater. That is for the grey water, right? For all the so it's also marked grey water, to release the grey water, tank water. And this is for the cassette toilet. For the toilet, whatever it collects, you have to take it out separately and dump it. That's for the city water, to fill the water tank inside on this side. This is 30 amp electrical. If you want to charge your battery and run the air condition and everything.
If you had a plug-in site.
Plug in into any RV site or your house to charge the batteries. We have 110 electrical outlet. So if you have anything electrical barbecue or anything to hook up, or if
Like
you
if
have
a
any
cooktop or whatever.
cooktop or any lights to hook up outside to give more light. Okay. And that's a step. That step is for the whole thing, so it's a permanent step. It will always stay like this. So it's not an electric step. Over here you have the Mercedes, the new ones. You have the jack and everything over here. My old one is up here. Yeah, so the tires normally Mercedes comes with 16 inches tires. So this is with Meg wheels, 17 inches tires. So it's 245 by 70 or 17. So tires are updated, and then also this has bumper sensors. One thing you're missing is there's no. You might have to put a winch if you're going more expedition.
And the bars.
And the bar, full bar, or something to protect the front. Lights are great.
This